Hi guys, here we made a automation system for making for cleaning the swimming pool. This is the C code that we are going to implement in the import in the Nodemcu board. Here is how our hardware is configured. This is why the LED is going to trigger the electrical switches getting on or off. Okay, now now I uploaded this code and getting the data from the database here. Okay, fine. This is the data that is it's resulting 0 means the LED should be off state. Okay, fine. Then here we are using a two technology, that is IoT and RPA technology. Here we are using a cloud server that has the IP address of 192.168.43.175. This is the IP address of the web server. We are using a Xampp for the web server. Okay, fine. Let's work it how. Let's see how it works. RPA is fully desktop automation technology. Here you can see the automation is running on. Nothing is typing here. The LED gets on when the data changed into the database. Now the query is automatically inserted into the data. Yeah, fine. Then the LED gets off. Okay, this is how we trigger the cleaning system of that swimming pool. Okay, thank you.